In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do real-time video generation with Krea AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Krea, enter the real-time workspace, choose the right input mode, and craft a prompt that produces vivid, responsive visuals as you work. First, open your browser and head to the Krea app. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land in Krea's workspace, which is designed to get you creating quickly without a complicated setup. Everything we need for live video output is right inside the app. Next, click on Real Time. This is the area where Krea's engine streams visual updates on the fly, so you can see changes unfold as you refine your idea. Think of it like a live canvas. Each word you commit shapes the look, mood, and pacing of the visuals without waiting for a long render. If you're new to the layout, look for the real-time label in the app navigation. Opening it takes you straight to the live generation environment. Now choose text only. Krea supports different input modes, but text only keeps things focused and predictable by using just your written description to guide the output. This makes it perfect for learning the basics and for quickly iterating on style. With text only selected, your prompt becomes the single source of truth for what appears on screen. Type your prompt, then save. Let's use a strong descriptive example. Cinematic cyberpunk city, neon lights, rain, dramatic lighting, ultra detailed, film grain, 4K. This line does a lot of work. Cinematic sets a film-like aesthetic. Cyberpunk city locks in the subject and genre. Neon lights and rain add color and atmosphere, while dramatic lighting pushes contrast and mood. Ultra detailed and film grain shape texture, and 4K nudges clarity and fidelity. Use commas like separators to stack ideas, and lead with the elements that matter most. Keep phrases concise. Overly long sentences can dilute the style signal. When your prompt reads the way you want, hit save. Saving locks in the description, and Krea will begin building the visuals in real time. Watch the scene evolve and note what lands well. If colors feel too intense, soften them with words like muted or moody. If the look needs more structure, add terms like wide shot or night city skyline. Make small, purposeful edits to the prompt, then save again to see the change reflected live. That's the full flow. Go to Krea, open real time, pick text only, type your prompt, and save. Experiment, iterate, and let the live feedback guide you to a look you love.